Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. As Mongo Park said some time ago when he saw the Niger, he said, "I saw with infinite pleasure the great object of my mission, the long sought for majestic Niger, glittering in the morning sun as wide as the Thames in Westminster. Now I'm seeing with infinite pleasure the second Niger Bridge." We've talked about whether this project is actually going on or if we're getting fake pictures or doctored pictures. But I'm here live in Asaba, or the other section where the second Niger Bridge is actually being constructed. What you see there are piers that have been constructed. I'm not sure when, but right now I can tell you, as an engineer myself, practicing engineer in the United States, that this is real. These are the piers that they have put together. Now they're putting some actual pre-stressed beams on top of the piers. So essentially, I know that work is going on. I cannot, just by looking at this, tell you the actual percentage of work that has been done, but I can actually say that work is going on. So let's go down a little bit and see what we... So you can see some booms that they have just to cordon off the construction area to give the contractor or the construction workers the ability to get into the area, the alignment of the project itself, to be able to do some work. This is the 30th day of December 2019. This place looks a little deserted. So I don't know, maybe the contractor is on holiday or something, but at least we can see that something is going on. Come on down, let's take another look. Right over there, you can see the existing Niger Bridge, which people like me have written about for quite some time, saying that the average daily traffic, or ADT, has now exceeded the ADT for which the first Niger Bridge was designed and constructed, which makes it imperative that this new second Niger Bridge should be put in place. You can see there pre-stretched work going on. Again, I cannot vouch for when this was actually put in place, but at least we can see that it's going on. So walking on the sand is a challenge a little bit. How Nade? Same to you. Thank you. There you can see the support formwork that's been put in place to receive the pre-stretched concrete. Well done. And these are still rebars that they're using for the work. I'm seeing with infinite pleasure the great object of my mission, which is to see the construction of the second Niger Bridge that will link Asaba and Onitsha. Well, yes, the project is not done. Yes, the project is far from being completed. There is a lot more to be done. But at least at this point in time, one can say that work is going on. I will crave the indulgence of the authorities when this video is put together to tell us exactly what the percentage of work is being done. Again, you can from here see the existing Niger Bridge. This is the water of the Niger Bridge under the second Niger Bridge project. Again, it continues to glisten in the morning sun, as Mongo Park said so many years ago in the late 1700s when he came to Busa Falls and observed the Niger. So, just to give credit, the man behind the camera is in the chicken now. Yeah.